Today, we are Brickfront Properties will be talking about 5 tips for managing tenants and maximizing profitability. Whether you are a seasoned real estate investor or a beginner in the field, managing tenants and maximizing profitability are key factors in your success.
Here are 5 essential tips to help you navigate the world of rental property investments with confidence.
Tip 1. Screen prospective tenants carefully. Choosing the right tenant is crucial for a successful rental property investment. One needs to conduct thorough background checks, verify employment, and if possible speak with previous landlords.
Tip 2. Establish clear communication channels. Effective communication is key to a positive landlord-tenant relationship. Make sure your tenants know how to reach you in case of emergencies or maintenance issues.
Tip 3. Set clear rental policies and expectations. Define your rental policies upfront and include them in the lease agreement. This helps prevent misunderstandings and disputes down the line. Transparency is key.
Tip 4. Perform regular property maintenance. Keeping your rental property well maintained can help attract and retain quality tenants. Schedule regular inspection and address any maintenance issues promptly.
And finally, tip 5. Stay informed about local rental market trends. Understanding the rental market in your area can help you set competitive rent prices and attract quality tenants. Keep your eyes on market trends, vacancy rates, and rental demands to make informed decisions. By following these 5 basic tips for managing tenants and maximizing profitability, you can enhance the success of your rental property investments. Remember, investing in your rental properties can be rewarding with careful planning and management. Thank you for watching.